Sadhguru, I want to train my machine learning model. Please tell me how to use GPUs for free. Hi guys, this is Manik. Today in this video, we are gonna see some of the features of Google Colab. So yeah, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe for artificial intelligence and machine learning videos. So yeah. But what's Google Colab actually? Google Colab is a research tool for machine learning education and research. Well, in short, it's a ready-to-use Jupyter notebook which doesn't require any setup. So yeah, let's see the features of Google Colab. First, many of the libraries which are required for machine learning and deep learning, including the deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, are pre-installed in Google Colab, so you can just use them on the go. If there is a library which is not installed in Google Colab, then we can just use a normal command such as pip install and a library name to install that library in our Google Colab environment. Something like this. We can use Google Drive to store our datasets, and then we can use Google Colab to retrieve those datasets, and we can use it for our research project. Something like this. Google doesn't just provide us GPUs, it even provides us tensor processing units. TPUs. We can use TPUs in Google Colab for free for our machine learning work. Well, obviously we shouldn't use it for mining cryptocurrencies, and it's even unsupported. So yeah, any other feature of Google Colab apart from normal features such as we can upload our own Jupyter notebook and use it in Google Colab, or else we can download Google Colaboratory notebook as a Jupyter notebook. Apart from all these normal functions, we even have another feature of Google Colab. That is, we can use Google Colab to run on local runtime. This means consider that you have a machine which you can use for training deep learning models, then you can directly connect Google Colab to your local runtime. Then why should you use Google Colab? Well, this can help you in sharing your Jupyter notebooks in your group. That is, there is no need for you to upload the files to GitHub and blah blah blah. And one more thing, your files will be safe because it's with Google, so it's obviously safe. So yeah, to connect Google Colab to local runtime, we need to install an extension of Jupyter notebooks, that is Jupyter HTTP over WS. This is the extension which we can install, and then we need to enable this extension using this command. Now we need to use the final command to set Google Colaboratory as a trusted party for our system. That is, we say to our system that it is a trusted party. It can access and delete all the data present in the system. So yeah, that's why whenever you run Jupyter notebooks, it's always safe to ensure that Jupyter notebook is always from a trusted party. The final thing which we need to do is pass the port number which we have given in the command in Google Colab. So yeah, in Google Colab, you can click on connect to local runtime, and then you can pass this port number so that Google Colab can connect to our device. And then it's fine. We can use anything which is present in our device on Google Colab. Okay, so let's summarize the features of Google Colab. First, it comes with pre-installed frameworks and many important libraries for deep learning. Second, we can install our own libraries which we need. Third is NVIDIA Tesla K80 GPU runtime environment. Fourth is we can use tensor processing units as always. And fifth is we can connect to local runtimes to use our own files. So yeah, that's it for this video. So is there anything else left? Do share this video and subscribe to my channel for more artificial intelligence related videos. Thanks for watching.